Good morning. So, I missed yesterday. That means we have a lot to talk about. So, how was your weekend and your Monday? Here in Dominican Republic, we're going to have a little bit of rain. I'm not sure, it's hurricane season right now, so I don't know if there's a tropical storm involved in this or it's just being in the tropics. There's always a little rain. Like right now, it's drizzling. Well, not really drizzling because it's too slow for a drizzle. It's dripping. So, I guess, is it about time for me to tell you about myself? Well, I'm an introvert, so I'm resistant to this part. But my name is Rachel, and I don't know, I guess in a lot of ways I am qualified to have these little conversations with you, but I hate the fact that, people with empathy just can't naturally speak to others because we always have people that abuse a situation. It's the nature of the beast. We're billions and billions of individuals. So there are always going to be those that are, not about the best interest of the group, solo about self. So it's understandable, but at the same time, it's a little annoying because there are people who naturally love, but maybe they don't have the money to get the credentials. People who naturally want to help, naturally want to be of service, but maybe they don't see the value in getting the credentials. Which, that's their opinion. They're entitled to it. Yeah, so today, we'll just look at the clouds in the sky. Maybe the few drops. I don't know if there are any drops hitting the camera. So, that's that. Have a great day.